how to rotate Samsung phone screen. So if you want to rotate your Samsung phone screen, each time you tilt your Samsung like this, or while watching videos or movie on your Samsung phone, you want the screen to rotate automatically. Once you tilt it, then these are the steps you need to take. So if at the end of the day you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, you want to scroll down from the top right to access half of the controls. Then expand the control. Now press and hold the portrait icon that looks like a lock. Then you should say auto rotate pop. Turn on auto rotate. Now go ahead and customize whether to auto rotate your Samsung phone screen, Samsung phone call screen, and Samsung phone lock screen by toggle on all of this. After that, click on done. Now wherever you are on your Samsung phone, whether on the lock screen, home screen, and you tilt your Samsung phone like this, it's going to rotate the phone screen. If you go back to the app screen as well, and then tilt your Samsung phone, you should see the application rotated as well. As simple as that. That's exactly how to rotate Samsung screen. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.